And welcome back to my channel. My name's Natalia, and in today's video I'm going to be decorating and shopping and just doing all sorts of stuff to decorate my apartment for the fall season. Fall officially starts on September 22nd, so I'm kind of getting an early start, but watching other YouTubers got me inspired and got me super excited to decorate my apartment for fall time. Last year I didn't do this, so I kind of have to go on a whole shopping spree to get some fall decorations. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna be going to multiple stores to go shopping for fall decorations, give you guys a little haul, and then you guys will see the end result. So stay tuned, but before we get started, I just want to say if you aren't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you did. I'm trying to reach 200 followers for the month of September, so any support I can get, I would really appreciate that, guys. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to like it and leave a comment down below. I respond to all of my comments, so I love to talk with you guys. So let's get on with this video and let's start decorating. So I'm in the car now and it is a rainy day here in the Sunshine State. I've dressed nice and cozy for this outing and I'm gonna be hitting up a few spots. First, I gotta make a stop at Starbucks, of course, to get my favorite fall drink. And then we're gonna head to Target, maybe Home Goods, Bath and Body Works, and depending on like the time and if I found everything I need or not, a thrift store. So, or maybe at Michael's, I don't know. I have so many options, so many ideas. It's just a matter of if I found everything that I needed yet, but I'm gonna try to get everything at Target, but those are the places that we are hitting up. Okay, so I was gonna go to Starbucks before my Target trip, but then I realized it wouldn't make sense to get a drink before entering a store because I'd have to wear my mask, and I couldn't drink with my mask on, so I'm just gonna get it like towards the end when I'm going home, because I still want that drink and it's my absolute favorite. I'll let you guys know what it is once I get there, so you guys can enjoy the yumminess with me. So let's go into Target. I hope I can find everything here so I don't have to go to a million places because it's raining and it feels really nice, but not the ideal weather to be shopping in. The first place that I hit up was the $5 section. You can always find some really great stuff there. I found a couple of little pumpkins. I'm contemplating if they would go with my style, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna take them. And then I also found this gold ring that you can make a wreath out of. So we'll see if I do that or if I just end up buying a wreath. So I really wasn't able to vlog all that much in Target. It was just kind of, it was hot with the mask and you couldn't really hear me with the mask on, and yeah, it was just a little rushed, I think. So I'm sorry if I wasn't able to get much footage. I'm trying to do better because I did not find everything that I needed. I still need hand soap. I still need a wreath and a couple of other things. So I'm gonna go to Home Goods and Bath and Body Works, and maybe I just need to go to Home Goods. Hopefully they'll have like festive hand soaps over there. I did get some cute stuff and I'm really excited to show you guys. So let's go to Home Goods so we can get home and do this haul. Alright guys, I finally finished all my shopping. Now it is time to go get Starbucks, so I'm gonna go do that and finally show you what my Starbucks drink is.
Welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I please get a tall salted caramel sweet cream cold brew?
Alright, it's gonna be $4.53 at the window.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Thanks, you too. Alright guys, so I'm back home. It is time to do the haul portion of this video. Real quick, I just wanted to tell you what my drink was in case you didn't catch it while I was at Starbucks. This drink right here, this deliciousness, amazing looking drink. Oh, it is so good. This is the salted caramel sweet cream cold brew, and this has become my staple. Every time I go to Starbucks, this is what I get, and I just love salted caramel. So it just has the perfect hint of coffee and salted caramel. Favorite. You guys should try it if you haven't already. Let me know your thoughts. Leave it down in the comments down below. I love it. All right, so the reason why I went fall shopping today is because I wanted to start decorating my apartment. You know, we're getting closer to that cozy weather. Not really, it's always hot here in Florida. But we're getting closer to that time of the year where everything gets spooky and cozy and just so yummy smelling and tasting. Like, I don't know why. Fall is like the most yummy smelling and tasting season. And so I went to go get my decor from the storage, and I thought I had so much more. But in reality, all I had was 2 pumpkins. And although they are super cute, they're like white glazed and then sort of a rough textured at the bottom. Although they're super cute, this is all I had for my fall decor. So I figured I would go do some holiday shopping, some fall shopping, get some stuff to decorate this place, because last year I think I went like just regular apartment shopping since we hadn't had any apartment stuff in general. I just went regular apartment shopping and then I did Christmas shopping, but I completely skipped out on like Thanksgiving, Halloween decor. So I wanted to make sure to get festive for this year since it does not feel festive outside. I mean, this rain is actually the closest to fall we're gonna get, I feel, because it's not hot or that hot outside, and the rain is kind of like gloomy, and I don't know, that's Florida fall. So let's get started and I can show you guys what I got. Okay, so let's start with the stuff that I got at Target first. I actually did get a majority of the things that I wanted from Target. There was just some things that I couldn't find, or I wanted other options, so I went to HomeGoods and Michael's and TJ Maxx actually. So the first thing that I got is I hit up that $5 section. Guys, if you're not hitting up that $5 section, you need to, because there is always so many cute little trinkets and just so many cute little things that you can add to your house. The first thing that I picked up are these autumn like fall leaves. They're like oak leaves and they're just in a stem, like a bunch like that. These were only $3, and it's really nice because you can actually unfold them and kind of like fluff them out a little bit. So I'm not quite sure where I'm gonna put these yet. I did have an idea where I wanted to put them, but then I got some stuff at Michael's and I don't know if I need them anymore. So we'll see where we can fit these into the decor. The next thing that I got was these really cute tea lights. These are unscented, but they were orange, which I thought was adorable. So I have been needing to get some tea lights for my little tea light fixture, and I just haven't, I don't know, I just keep forgetting. So I finally got these ones, and I got them unscented because I got some other candles and I didn't want too many like scents clashing. So these were perfect. Got that for that fixture, and these were also $3. Another thing that I got from that really cute $5 section is this adorable little candle. Like, look at how cute. I love the packaging and the way that it comes in. And this one is called Festive Spices. And honestly guys, this smells so good. So it's really cute. I like the gold. Okay, so that's all I got from the $5 section, Five Below I should say. The next thing that I got from Target was this really cute pumpkin hand towel for the kitchen. I have been getting into like hand towels and changing them out for the festive seasons. So I got like a summery one for summer, and now I have this one, and this one's really nice quality. Like, I feel like it would dry things. It's not like one of those ones where it's just like gets wet when you're drying the dishes. So I like this one. It's really nice quality. This is from the Threshold collection, and this one was only $5. It wasn't from the $5 section, but it was only $5. Pretty cool deal. So if you guys know me, then you know that I absolutely love mugs. Like, I don't know what it is about mugs that I just love, and I love drinking out of cute mugs. So I had to get this really cute mug that said, "Happy fall, y'all." Like, that's so adorable, and it's really lightweight, which I like. So that's what that looks like, and it's really thin. I don't know, it's such a cute mug. So I had to get it, and once again, only $5, so really good deal. So I had this really cute idea in my head of doing cookies, and kind of like Christmas, when you leave cookies out for Santa and you have like a mug and a little cute platter. So I love the Halloween cookies with either the pumpkins and the ghosts on them. So I got some of those, and I got this unnecessary plate. Like, I don't need a festive plate, but I got this cute little pumpkin plate. It's ceramic, and I don't know, I just thought it was really, really cute. And this is only $3. It's also from the Threshold collection. And I'm telling you guys, all these things, not everything, but almost every single thing that I got from Target, $5 or under, and that's just crazy. Something that isn't decor, but like I thought I needed to get for Bear, is this little chew toy. It was just in the dog section. I was passing by, and he destroys all his toys, but it was only like $3, and I was like, you know, he needs he needs a toy. He needs some sort of gain from my crazy Target shopping trips. So I got him this little festive toy. So I'm sure he's gonna be really happy to have this. Okay, so the next item is kind of hard to show because it's a little bigger, but I'm gonna try to like pick it up and show you guys. We have a doormat for the back porch, like the one that leads outside from the lanai, but we don't have a doormat going into the front door. So I wanted to get one for the front door. So I got this really cute doormat. This is from the Hearth and Hand collection from Chip and Joanna. It's rounded at the bottom. So that's what it looks like. I like how it's like braided and it looks really thick and looks sturdy. But I got that one for the front door and I just think it's gonna look really cute. And Bear seems to love it. He has not stopped sniffing it since like I brought it into the door. I don't know what his obsession is with it. This is literally what he's been doing since I put it on the floor. I have two more things that I got from Target. Like I said, I got the festive holiday cookies. So these are my favorite cookies to get around Halloween time or just fall time. These are the sugar cookie pumpkin cookies. They have them as ghosts too, but I love these. I don't know why. It just reminds me of like my childhood, I guess. And then another thing that's also cookie related is I got Oreos. Okay, I have like a weird obsession with Oreos, but specifically the ones that come out around Halloween time that have the orange filling in them. Guys, they don't even taste different, but I feel like they do, and I'm just obsessed with them. Okay, so that is all that I got from Target. I still needed to get hand soap and a couple of other things, so I went to HomeGoods, and surprisingly they did not have anything that I was like, oh, this is super cute. You know, I ended up going to Maxx, which was right next door, and I found two things. So I got hand soap. Austin and I had just run out of our hand soap, so I needed to get more anyways. And this one smells so good. I'm not a fan of pumpkin spice, like the flavoring it, but anything that smells like it, I absolutely love. And it comes in like a cute little bottle with the maple leaf on the bottles. I just thought I'd get this one, and this was $5.99. And the next thing that I was really hoping to get was a garland. I found this really cute pumpkin garland at Maxx. They're white pumpkins. I'm finding that my theme is more whites. Like, you'll see with the rest of the decor that I got. And last but not least, I went to Micheal's because I still needed to get a wreath. And I forgot, guys, how expensive wreaths are. And I remembered last year for Christmas time, I made my own wreath from scratch. So I decided I was gonna do the same for fall decorations. So I picked up the supplies. You really don't need much. If you guys want a more in-depth tutorial on how to do that, you can either watch my video on DIYing Christmas decor, or you can go to Lone Fox. That's where I got my inspiration to do this. He has amazing ideas on fall decor, especially like making wreaths and stuff like that. So I picked up some supplies to do that. So the number one thing that you're gonna need is a hoop. This already came gold, so I got a gold hoop and it was only $3.49. This one's a 14-inch hoop. So this is a nice size for my door. And then they sell these sort of decor by the bunches. So this one was $10. So you're just gonna need to attach this with some wire, which I already have. Then I wanted to get an accent piece to put onto this wreath. So I got this one and I'm gonna attach it onto it. This one has like a little bit of darker colors, deeper greens. Also a white pumpkin right here. It's like a little velvety pumpkin. It's really cute. This one was $6.99. And the last piece that I got from Micheal's and the last piece of this haul is this little bouquet. So pretty much similar to the things that I was just showing you, but this one is just a bouquet. It doesn't have like the wiring inside of it. So this one I wanted to put in my centerpiece. That was all really cute, and everything that I got at Micheal's, I used a 20% off coupon, and everything was 40% off for the most part. So everything that I got at Micheal's was only $20. That's a really good deal. Let's get to decorating. I still have to make this wreath, so I still have a lot of things to do. So let's get to decorating and turn my place into a fall home. gonna need is wire. I got this wire from Michael's and I chose that color to match with the theme. The next thing are the 2 little bunches, whatever your preference is, the 14-inch gold hoop, and some scissors. After that, you're going to just place it in the area that you want to and then firmly tie it down with the wire. Then you're going to grab your accent piece and do the same. You should be able to maneuver it so that it goes along the edges of the ring. And ta-da, this is what it should look like in the end.
They call me Mr. Tibbs.
Yeah. 1, 2, heroes falling. I'm still calling. Heroes falling. Heroes falling. I'm still calling. Heroes falling. Heroes falling. I'm still calling. Heroes falling. Heroes falling. I'm still calling. Heroes falling.
Alright guys, that is all for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed watching me decorate my apartment for fall time. I really hope this motivated you or made you want to decorate your place for fall too. Even adding a pumpkin here or there can be so fun and festive, or maybe just even baking cookies if that's the way you like to celebrate this time of the year. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked my video. Also, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and comment. I respond to all my comments, and I hope you guys have a great Monday. I will see you guys next Monday. Bye guys.